All right, me and Drew. Say hi, Drew.
What's up?
Just finished up a really good after Dorian. Is that the name of the hurricane, Dorian?
Yes, it's Dorian.
Dorian hurricane sesh. Oh my God. Let me put my seatbelt on real quick so this car doesn't flip out. Spillways were going off, ponds were going off. We absolutely slayed the tarpon. How many did you miss?
Like 8.
You missed 8?
No, like 4, 5.
I missed a lot. I could say I missed 8.
Yeah.
I missed a lot, but hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that. His Instagram, even though it's trash, will be in the description below. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Try walking across that now.
Oh!
You had one? Huh?
One came out. Just
Oh! Ho, ho.
good one?
I just got wrecked by a nice one, dude.
Got him.
You got him? There you go, Drew.
Decent one.
Decent one? And there he goes.
Quick release.
Ooh.
Yes, sir.
There's a couple of them over there.
I know.
You just lift them up, send it.
Hey.
Hey. There we go.
First miss of the day. You trying to get That's a hot photo.
It's a hot photo. Yeet. See you, buddy. Don't die.
Oh my. Like a 30 to 40 pound control. Big ass boy. That'd be so nice right now, dude.
What?
Sticking a 30, 40 pounder.
Let's go. Oh, you got. Okay, guess what? Oh, he's right there. Grab him, Drew. Grab him. Grab him. Get him. Get him. Don't let him escape. Oh, God. Don't let him escape. Don't let him escape.
No, he's escaping.
Oh, my God. No, he's not. Now he's on dry land.
No, he's not. Not yet. Oh. He jumped on the land.
There you go. Not a. I literally turn around.
Dude,
Drew, how about
so much energy because I didn't even fight him.
there you go. Hey, that's cool. Nice little poon, baby.
You. Nice little tarpon. Let him go.
Sorry if you can't hear because of the wind.
Hurricane Dorian. Got the tarpon going nuts. The only thing they do is eat all day.
This is the stuff that worries me, though. This is like.
Snake territory.
Yes, bro. Oh.
Good one. Good one, Ryan. Keep tight on him, dude. That is a good one.
Yep. Fudge.
Tighten up that drag a little bit.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you weren't able to get a good hook set.
Nope.
Got him.
Are you serious?
Good one.
You got another one?
Yeah.
The frick? Why am I missing all of them? There you go, Drew. Is it big? Oh, dang.
Damn.
There he goes.
Yeah, did a nice bow and everything for him.
Yeah, I know. Mudger, fudging, frickety frack.
You didn't even hook set that one.
I didn't even know I had them.
I don't think he knew that you had him either.
So we could eat again. Do you have one?
Yeah.
Are you serious? You gotta be kidding me.
Right there, right there. Get the double up, dude. Mine's coming in straight out. Just.
It's small.
They're dicks, dude.
Don't even get me started.
Oh, I just got thumped.
You did?
Yeah. Got him. Right there. He's on the bank. He's still on there?
Nope. He was right here.
He came off. Damn.
Ready?
3 more casts.
I don't think the tarpon here like me. Don't think the tarpon like me here at all. Okay, maybe they do.
Stick him, dude.
I don't care.
Don't make.
Shh. Oh, dude.
He came off?
No. Oh, Drew. Oh, I did not want to lose that fish. I did not care.
Yes, Cookie Monster. Not a bad one, dude.
No. All right, buddy. Relax.
Yeah, the phone thing.
Yeah, just give me a minute.
Password? No password, right?
Nope. All right, guys. I think it was like one of my last casts of the day. Sun setting. Literally 2 days. What do you think? 2 days after the hurricane supposedly hit us?
Yeah.
2 days after hurricane hit us. The tarpon bite. Anywhere you can catch tarpon, it's going crazy right now. Just get this nice release. Ooh, okay.
Ready.
Oh, thank you.